Check this out, Irma's famous fish tacos. You got the fish here, some really nice sauce, pico de gallo, a kind of a carrot relish with cabbage and stuff. And then tortillas made at the tortillery. Oh my gosh, we're gonna grind. So good, look at that. Oh, you guys are missing out. You don't get none, you don't get none. I'll eat your share. Oh. The lime. Oh, look at that. Got cream, got the cabbage carrots, got pico de gallo, got this special sauce, got the fish. Oh my gosh, so good. And then lime juice. Give her a try. Oh my god, it's so good. It's hot, it's spicy, it's tangy, it's crunchy.
No, servilleta tan solo.
So good.
¿Te gustaron? I like it.
Really good. Man. Oh my god. Like I said, like everywhere down here, tacos are not created equal. They're different everywhere you go, and then this is like a fish taco. I never had anything like this, so good. Thumbs up. What do you think of those? Hey, how's it going? So this morning we're gonna be moving the trailer to across the street. The truck and the trailer, I believe, across the street's where he's gonna start the work. The neighbor just over here from Irma, her neighbor, he does welding and stuff, and so he's done this before, I guess. And so we're gonna move it across the street and strip the front cab off of here, the truck cab. So this whole cab of the truck, pretty much from right here all the way forward, is going to get stripped off of it, and then what will be left is the frame underneath and the pickup bed, so that the camper can stay in the pickup bed, and that we have a trailer then to pull the camper with behind our new truck. So this is just basically, I've sold this front cab on the truck for salvage basically. And like I said, I'm going to keep the frame, turn the pickup bed into a trailer so we can continue with our journey with the camper and have adventures with it, so we didn't lose everything. But yeah, truck's dust and it's out. It was a solution. So anyways, that's what we're doing. We'll move it over there across the street. You can see over there that big grassy open area, and then the neighbor here has a welding equipment and stuff he can drag across there and do the job. So hopefully that's going to start here shortly, and we'll keep you abreast of, we'll keep you in the loop on what's going to happen with everything. And well, now you got cobwebs all over you, buddy. Beastie. What are you doing, Beastie? Anyways, yeah, so we moved it across the street here to this vacant lot basically, and they're getting under there and starting to pull it apart, getting the diesel tank out. We got the batteries out, caravan part is getting propped up, and then they'll get busy, but won't be long. Things will be happening, so we'll keep you along for this ride. It's gonna be a different one. So that's the gas tank, diesel tank they're trying to get out of there, and it's actually got fuel in it, so it's pretty good. Then the exhaust pipe's gonna come out, the transmission, the rear differential will stay in. They'll just disconnect the drive line from it, and it'll be a heavy duty axle is what it'll end up being. And so yeah. Nothing's easy ever. It's the fuel tank coming out.
Voy por los lados.
Banging those bolts, trying to loosen them up. They've been there for a couple years. Got some rust on them, frozen in place. So I'll show you, they're putting an axle under here and welding it to the existing frame. See, this is an older axle and they're welding these posts right in there. You see the posts right there? One on either side to the axle and then up to the frame here. And so what that does is it allows them to cut the frame, the chassis body, and then they can just roll this front cab part of it right out of the way and then start welding up the trailer for the pickup bed. So all this will get rolled up on this and that front wheel axle. Should be great. Easy to move. Well, it's heavy, but it'll move a lot easier than trying to drag it across the grass. Anyways. So they got supports here and here for the rear, and then they've got the axle. You can see they put those supports in under there, and I think the next thing would be cutting the frame. So, which is should be somewhere in there on that chassis right there, that big solid bar steel. So chassis is cut right there. You can see it. So he just needs to cut the other side, and then we should be able to move the front cab up away from the back.
¿Qué pasó? Estoy pegando el sello. ¿Eh? Sí.
Dale. Espérame. No, es que... Dale. Dale, dale. Dale, dale.
Slowly. Slowly. That's it. It's cut. They are two separate pieces now. Pickup bed trailer, cab of the truck. The boss man. Right on. As you can see, there's the pickup bed right there. Turn that into a trailer there. See, pretty cool. And here's the old truck rolling away. The old truck rolling away. So there you go. There's a pickup bed trailer. Yeah. See, we pulled that. These guys, well, I shouldn't say we, they did. But just using the pulley system up here. And they were able to pull that whole front cab off of that pickup bed trailer. Check it out. That's the new 4x4, four-wheel drive, 4x4 heavy-duty pickup bed camper trailer. A new generation. Yeah, baby. And then I'll be able to put something under here. Hopefully can put a sheet of plywood over that thing. And then I can store stuff under there, put a box and maybe a generator or something. So we got this big piece of steel yesterday. It was about a 10-footer, and it's being used with a welder up front.
¿La meter aquí, David?
¿Dónde menos?
Aquí. Acá, al lado.
Pásale, Víctor.